Abacus is a century-old tool that is used for math calculations. Asian and African merchants and traders were widely known for their usage of the abacus. Although mainly found in China and Japan, other regions of the world such as Mesopotamia, Persia, Rome, India, and Greece were also known to use an abacus. But what's the benefits of abacus for kids? Here are a few benefits of abacus. It improves concentration, improves observation and listening skills, enhances visualization and imagination, memory strengthening as one of the benefits of abacus, amplifies speed and accuracy, boosts creativity, increases self-confidence, strong academic foundation, reduces stress, enhances gross motor skills, analytical skills, one of the major benefits of abacus. To learn these skills, join Educational Super Abacus Patur. For more details, visit Educational Computer Academy Patur, in front of Sri Siddhaji Maharaj Temple, Balapur Road, Patur, or call us on these numbers 9764748758 or 9371748758 or 7666334329.